I know that this is going to seem like a clickbaity thing to say, but this is the most incredible hack to do with repairing plastic that I've ever come across. What actually happened was I split my nail really badly, and it was going to be ripped in half. And I searched the internet for advice on how to stick my nail back together so it could grow out. And all of the advice was, hey, get the cloth or the paper from a tea bag and put that on top of your nail, and then apply some super glue to it, and it will form a really hard layer. And when I tried it, I was absolutely gobsmacked at how well it worked. And then the next time I went to repair something with super glue, some plastic, I tried the same technique, and it was incredible. It was the strongest bond I've ever had. If you've ever used fiberglass, then you probably will understand how it works. This is a very porous and quite strong material, and it soaks up the super glue completely and essentially forms a really hard, solid bond, way stronger than applying super glue to plastic on its own. So let me just show you how that works. So with this particular break, I don't have a lot. It's a very thin plastic, piece of thin plastic that I'm trying to repair. The first thing that I do is simply put some of this in between the bit that I'm trying to weld back together effectively, and just tear it off. And believe it or not, once the super glue is applied to that, it will soak in and form a really hard bond. And it's just a matter of letting that dry. Now, the other thing that I can do is I could also take some of this and I can apply it to the outside. Just like fiberglass, you can actually form it. You can wrap it around, and you can put multiple layers on it if you feel that that's going to help. And believe it or not, that is going to be way stronger, way stronger than if you had attempted to do it with super glue alone. We'll let that dry.